Got this from a thrift store. I'm not sure if it's made in England or Germany. It's Mauthe. Let me just turn around the camera to show you the actual movement. So it does. Yes, that's what I like about it. Listen to this. Show in a moment inside. So this is whatever. Oh, it says made in Germany indeed. Now the K that was with it, it says made in England. For whatever reason, doesn't mean the K is from the same unit. And inside, it does not run, but I'll try to remove it and maybe clean it. And sorry for the light. I'll do more videos and hopefully you will see much better. But I was surprised because it does not have a pendulum. It does not appear to have a weight pendulum, balance weight. Although this small kind of, maybe this is a balance weight. Now it does not run, but also because this it's not sitting in a normal position, standing position. This is not going to spin too much. I'm not sure. So also there is a plus minus, so that's where you regulate it. Perhaps I would guess is this screws here or something else. I don't know, because this doesn't. These are more like studs. But yes, there's no weight on it. No balance, no pendulum. It does not run. It's fully wound, but does not run. That's the whole point. And I like those, whatever you call these things here. These are very nice small hammers. And there's 5 of those tiny rods. Interesting anyway. So I'll try to remove it from there, clean it, and see if I can make it run again. There is a few serial numbers. Also there appears to be a number. There is a number on the case here, and yes, it's very nice. Made in Germany.